garlic herb butter steak bites. This dish, next level delicious. Let's start by preparing our ingredients. 500 gram, 1 lb sirloin or ribeye steak, cut into bite-sized cubes. Salt, black pepper to taste. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 2 tablespoon butter. 4 garlic cloves, minced. 1 teaspoons Italian seasoning or fresh chopped parsley. Optional, chili flakes or lemon juice for extra zing. Here we go. Let's get started. 1. Prep steak. Pat the steak pieces dry with paper towels. Season with salt and pepper. 2. Sear steak bites. Heat oil in a hot skillet. Add steak in a single layer. Don't overcrowd. And cook 2-3 minutes per side until browned. Remove and set aside. 3. Make garlic butter. In the same pan, reduce heat to medium. Add butter and garlic. Cook for 30 seconds. 4. Toss steak in butter. Return steak to the pan and coat with the garlic butter. Add herbs and a little water and toss well. Keep it on low heat until cooked. Serve hot and juicy. Great with mashed potatoes, rice, or crusty bread. Little tricks that make a big difference. 1. Use well-marbled steak like sirloin or ribeye. Lean cuts dry out quickly. 2. Cut steak evenly equal-sized pieces cook at the same speed. Aim for 1-inch cubes. 3. Pat the meat dry. This is key. Dry steak, better browning, more flavor. 4. Add garlic after meat. Garlic burns quickly. Saute it in butter after removing the steak, then toss everything together. For more tasty recipes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, so you never miss a bite. See you next time. Enjoy your meal